Well, currency is anything that is generally accepted to have value as a medium of exchange so that it can be traded for goods and services. So currency is much more important thing in this modern world. Today in this video we will discuss about the fiat currency, digital currency and cryptocurrency. Let's start with the fiat currency. It is a type of currency that is not backed by any commodity such as gold or silver. Instead, it is government issued currency. The value of fiat currency is derived from the relationship between supply and demand and the stability of the issuing government. Most modern paper currencies are fiat currencies like the US dollar, the euro, and other major global currencies. Fiat money gives central bank greater control over the economy because they can control how much money is printed. So there is one danger of fiat currency, that is, government can print too much resulting in hyperinflation. We have such kind of example in the past history if you have heard about hyperinflation in Zimbabwe. So there is always risk of inflation in fiat currency. The term fiat is a Latin word that is often translated as it shall be or let it be done. Thus fiat currency only have value because the government maintains that value. There is no utility to fiat money in itself. If people lose faith in nation's currency, the money will no longer hold value. However, fiat money serves as a good currency if it can handle the roles that the nation economic need of its monetary unit, that is storing value, providing a numerical account and facilitating exchange. Since fiat money is not a scarce or fixed resource like gold, central banks have much greater control over its supply, which gives them the power to manage economic variables such as credit supply, liquidity, interest rates, and money velocity. Now let's talk about the digital currency. Digital currency, also known as digital money, electronic money, or electronic currency, is any currency, money, or money-like asset that is primarily managed, stored, or exchanged on digital computer system, especially over the internet. Types of digital currencies include cryptocurrency, virtual currency, and central bank digital currency. Digital currencies exhibit properties similar to traditional currencies, but generally they do not have a physical form, unlike currencies with printed banknote or minted coins. This lack of physical form allows nearly instantaneous transactions over the internet and remove the cost associated with distributing notes and coins. Digital money can either be centralized, where there is central point of control over the money supply, for instance a bank, or decentralized, where the control over the money supply is predetermined or agreed upon democratically. Now after learning about fiat and the digital currency, let's see about the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is one of the type of digital currency in which transactions are verified and records are maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography rather than by a centralized authority. So you can simply say that it is backed by blockchain technology. It doesn't have a physical form since it is a digital currency, and furthermore, since cryptocurrency isn't backed by central authority or government, they cannot control it. Hence, most of the government does not support the cryptocurrency. The advantage of using cryptocurrency is cheaper and faster money transfer, and of course decentralized system that do not collapse at a single point of failure, and other features of blockchain like immutability, privacy, and hence security. Though there are some disadvantages like price volatility, high energy consumption for mining activities in which experts are working to reduce so, and main disadvantage is cryptocurrency can be used in criminal or illegal activities since it is difficult to trace and hence it doesn't favor the government. They cannot maintain the track like other currencies. So these are some information regarding the fiat currency, digital currency and cryptocurrency. I hope you learned something new and hope you liked the video. If you do, hit the like and I will see you in the next video.